Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix controller showing row buttons on Steam. For example, I'm playing FC26 with PS4 controller but it is showing me Xbox button. So let's fix this. So you need to open your Steam account, then you go here on the top left corner, select Steam, then go to settings. After that, scroll down until you find your controller. Then you go, for my case, PlayStation controller support is enabled. We'll choose not enabled. And then make sure enable Steam input Xbox controller is off. And it will be reversed if you having Xbox controller. Then you scroll a little bit down until you find desktop layout. You click on edit. Then you choose disable Steam input. Okay, so after that, if we open our FC26 again, and here you go, as you can see, now we have the right bottom of the PS4 controller inside FC26 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.